According to Ministry of Education and Culture data, the Secretariat General for 2020 to 2021, Indonesia is recorded to have 14,078 vocational high schools, but only has 9,308 laboratories. This causes most vocational schools to lack teaching and learning facilities still. Therefore, our team consisting of Thoha, Ananda, Jafron, Rhionaldo, Ilham Hidayat, Dzenatan, Achmad, and Nur Khairiyah with assistant lecturer Bayu, Ramadhani, Fajri, SST, MDS introduced a technological innovation, namely CNC AR. Augmented reality or AR is the integration of digital information with the user environment in real time. AR user experience a real-world environment with generated perceptual information overlaid on top of it. Augmented reality is used to either visual change natural environment in some way or to provide additional information to users. CNC AR was created to help students learn CNC machines at school and outside. The learning media in the previous CNC practicum was only based on published simulators. So we made an augmented reality based on CNC learning media products that are easy to use compared to other simulators. Let's see the use of the CNC AR application. This application can display the working principle of the TU UI CNC machine, where this machine has to access as a benchmark for tool movement, namely X and Z. Look at the following image. The right screen shows an explanation of the display image. CNC AR can display components drawing of the TU UI CNC and also display some information below. Surely, CNC AR can display some pictures of chisel such as the following. Hope have an impact for education, especially to mechanical engineering. With CNC AR in Indonesia, quality of teaching and learning in the vocational school and university can improve. CNC AR digital product will be distributed in vocational school, which lack CNC machines in the teaching learning process.